heel away from that foot or off. Flip to knee. Pull down, look down. Turn for square first, apply pressure to push. Separate, sit back, push, up and forward. Drop your left hand, turn your left foot, hold your ball in the T-step. Off with your heel, ward off, drop the first heel to the opposite side, flip your knee, pull down, pull back, look back. Turn square, apply pressure to push, separate, sit back, push up and forward. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot up, T-step, cup, with the back hand, hook it, come out away from the back foot, single whip. Drop your left hand, turn your left foot, parameter one, power hands, middle, two flip hooks, middle, one hold hand, middle, two flip hooks, middle, one hold hand, middle, two flip hooks, middle, back hand hook it up, step out, away from your back foot, single